guys, okay, so today I am going to be doing this fall like kind of soft glam tutorial. I will do like a full real soft glam tutorial. This one kind of, I feel like it went a little bit more not dramatic, but a little bit more on the dramatic side than what I initially wanted to. So when you watch the video, you may hear me say I'm going to do a soft glam look, but I ended up not doing that. So I will bring you guys a soft glam tutorial after this one. So my next video will probably be another hair video, and then the next makeup tutorial will be a soft glam makeup tutorial. So yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the products that I use will be listed down below. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, okay, so today I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I know I haven't done one in a very long time, but I wanted to do a fall kind of soft glam look. I even went out and bought some new makeup for this. So I actually have two palettes that I've never used on here. So this is the Melt one. Honestly, like, this is a favorite for me. I bought this sometime in the summertime, like during like when Corona first started and people was just buying everything. But like, look at those colors. And then I might use this one at a later date. I might use both of them, I don't know. But I did, I'm sorry, I believe I've said this in videos before, but I live like a block away from a fire station, and yeah, there are fires. So I also have the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. I don't think I've ever purchased anything from her line, but I saw this one. Jesus Christ, that sounds like an ambulance. So that's not even my fire station. So I purchased this one. I've never purchased, I don't think, anything from her line, but I saw this and I'm like, ooh, okay, I might want to try that out. So I'm gonna go in first with the P.Louise. Sheesh. With the P.Louise base. This one is in 05. What the heck? I really hope everything is okay, because they're going crazy. Like, I'll be wondering, like, oh man, I hope everything is okay. And then I've been out on the street and they'll just like pass traffic and then just cut their stuff off and be okay. So it's like, you know what? I kind of just said that, just like, you wasted it. You wasted the good surprise on Sunny.
We wasted the good surprise on you.
Alright.
So I'm going to go in with this dark brown right here first. And just kind of start right about here. With it. And then on another brush, I'm going to take this color right here in the middle, well, the middle bottom row, and kind of diffuse this brown out. And just going back and forth between the two. I wonder, like, right here it's not, it's like skipping. Can you guys tell? Let's see if it's just that product or if it's like the base that I use. Okay, now I'm just going to cut my crease. There's the brush. So I'm going to take this peach color right here in the middle, and I'm going to apply that to my lid. With this it was a little too orange for me, so I'm going to go in with Rust from that palette and then follow right back up with that dark brown. Okay. Then I'm going to do the same for this eye. So now I'm going to do some liner. So I'm not gonna flick my liner out. I'm just gonna take that dark brown and just kind of cover it up, kind of blend it out with the rest of my eyeshadow. So now I'm just gonna apply a little bit mascara. For my mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay Lash Freak mascara. I really like it. Only thing that I don't like about it is how wet it is. But outside of that, I really like the way, especially like my bottom lashes, how it makes it look. So I'm going to leave it like that for right now, and then I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my face. So I'm going to prime my face with the Revlon Prime Plus Perfecting Smoothing Makeup Primer. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Hydrating Foundation. And I'm using a Morphe sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Sephora Concealer. I'm going to actually use two concealers, the Sephora one and the Stay Naked by Urban Decay. Blushing. Okay, so all I'm going to do is use just a little bit of this in the corner of my eye. Just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. And so I'm actually going to use a brush. So right now I'm just prepping my lashes because I know that once I get done they'll be finally dry enough for me to put on. So my favorite lash glue is the Kiss Lash Glue. It's the one with aloe. Yeah. And I just get it from Walgreens. I think Walmart has it as well. I'm not sure if Target has it. They probably do. Mine looks disgusting, but it comes like this. You probably can't really see it. It has aloe. It's by Kiss. When I tell you guys I haven't done like I haven't done like eyeshadow in so long. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever powder foundation. So I have two of them. Whoa. This one is darker. This one is in R520, which is a little bit darker. And then this one is in Y455. So this is how they look next to each other. So this one is a little bit darker. I use both of them underneath my eye, but I'm going to go in. Lately, I've been using the lighter one. And I'm honestly just pressing it in my skin. But I'm not going too crazy because I am going to bronze my face, and then I'll go in and just kind of, you know, fix everything. So the bronzer that I've been loving is the Mocha Mami by Fenty Beauty that looks like this. It's honestly like perfect. And then I do go in with my Airspun translucent powder on top of my that Makeup Forever. For my blush, I'm going to go in this Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use this orange right here. So at this point, it's like transitioning into full glam. So I'm going to have to, the next tutorial that I do, I promise it'll be like a soft glam tutorial, because it's what I've been doing lately as far as like my makeup. But this time I went kind of on the deep end. I just washed my hands, so my hands are getting ashy. Now I'm just going to soften that up with this NYX Lip Pencil. That was by Wet n Wild, I believe. And I don't even know what color this is, honestly. It's an espresso. And I'm gonna go in with Anastasia's Stripped. So now I'm going to spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. I really like it, but Jesus Christ, that stuff smells like spit. Hi guys, okay, so this is the completed look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this fall glam look. If you haven't already, check out my tutorial for my hair. It'll be listed down below, up in that part, in card, all of that jazz. So yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.